The National Weather Service and NOAA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Weld County and southern Oklahoma, western Marshall County and southeastern Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Marietta, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maudeal, Marietta, Thackerville, Lebanon, Willis, southeastern Lake Murray, western Lake Texoma, and Oakland. This includes Interstate 35 between the National Weather Service and Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Denton County and north central Texas until 8 thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Denton County and north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Justin, or 10 miles west of the Hudson Debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Justin now. Seek shelter now. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Justin around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Roanoke and North Lake around 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corral City around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Argyle, Double Oak, and Bartonville around 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flower Mound around 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Ponder. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 35 near mile marker 400. Current time is Interstate 35W between mile markers 70 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 464 and 466. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home